Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you the HP 15S D-5000 series laptop. Let's dive right into what makes this laptop stand out. First off, let's talk about the look and feel. The HP 15S D-5000 is a sleek and stylish laptop, sporting a smooth silver finish that really gives it a premium look. The keyboard is comfortable with a backlight. The caps lock key also has a light indicator, though it's missing on the numlock key. And interestingly, there's no scroll lock key, which some of you might miss, especially if you're into Excel, but you have the complete numpad. On the connectivity front, this laptop doesn't disappoint. On one side, you've got two USB ports and a charging port. On the other side, there's a Type-C port for your mobile devices, an HDMI port for external displays, a power light, and a hard disk activity light. Speaking of which, having the hard disk light is pretty handy to see when your laptop's doing some heavy lifting. There's also an SD card slot and a mic and headphone jack, so you're all set for media and communication. Now, let's check out the specs. You can get to the system information by right-clicking on the Start button and heading to System Settings. This laptop is packing a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, Intel Iris X graphics, 8 GB of RAM, and a speedy SSD hard disk drive. It's running Windows 11 Home, which should keep things running smoothly for you. And the RAM runs at a solid 3,200 MHz. When it comes to storage, you've got a 500 GB hard drive, and it's really easy to check this out in disk management. Plus, it comes with Office 2021 pre-installed, which is a nice touch. One thing to keep in mind is the cooling. The fan is located on the side to keep things cool, but just be cautious when using it on soft surfaces like beds, especially during the winter months. Overheating can be a concern if airflow is restricted. For everyday home and office tasks, this laptop is a fantastic choice. It handles Microsoft Office and internet browsing with ease. And boot time? It's incredibly fast. You barely get to see the logo before you're up and running. Now it is a bit on the pricier side at around 55,000 rupees. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might find Core i3 options. But if you're set on a 12th Gen processor and want top-notch performance, this is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.